Writing. So the writing prompt is, again, what is the intended major field? How did the writer's interest in the major or field develop? Describe the writer's experiences in the major field. And what has the writer gained as a result of his or her involvement in the major field? So this is a recap of the writing and prompt that you want to think about. Now you can always substitute this for different other types of words if you are already in the field and you are wanting to move up the corporate ladder to maybe one day become vice president or something, then your intended objective would be to become vice president of a particular department. And how did your interest in that particular job develop, right? What have you done to date, essentially? What has been your experiences, and then what have you gained as a result of just basically involving yourself?